So, Kyleigh, it's early, right?
Yes, and that's right, kids.
What's up?
I sleep in my room by myself.
Woo! She is not telling no fibs. Kyleigh slept in her bed all night by herself. So guess what, Kyleigh? We have a surprise for you. There's going to be no school because we're going on a vacation. But it's a surprise. So,
I'm so excited.
You so excited?
Yay.
You are? Well, you just gotta wait and see what happens next.
Kids, hit the button. Ring bell. Skit sky. That's where I'm going.
Make sure you get your copy of Kyleigh and the Apple Pie, which fosters self-confidence, entrepreneurship, and also active listening. We also have available Kylie's coloring and activity book. Follow her journey with Ash right by her side. The link is in the bio.
All right, come on. Go ahead. Let's go to the car. Are you excited?
Yeah. Who ties that?
I don't know. Let's see.
I think it's Mama.
Could Mama be going on vacation with us?
Look at Daddy.
Yep, Daddy's getting everything together in the house.
Daddy, Mama's going to this room. Look, decoration.
Uh-huh. Come on, let's go.
That's bouncy. Hey, don't leave us. Don't leave us. Don't leave us. Hey, don't leave us.
All right, get in, boo.
Mario.
Kyleigh, it's time to wake up. Kyleigh. Kyleigh. It's time to wake up. You're such a sleepyhead. Oh, there she is.
What do you think I should do?
You playing a joke?
Mama.
Kyleigh, look over there.
An airplane.
An airplane? That's super cool, right?
Yeah.
What if we're getting on an airplane?
I think we're
We are getting on an airplane.
We're not gonna drive. We're not gonna drive anymore.
No, Pop is gonna drop us off, and we're gonna get on the airplane.
So excited! Don't. We're getting in the airplane.
You're getting in the airplane.
Some people have their suitcase,
Yeah.
but we don't have a suitcase.
Yes, we do.
It's a big one or a small one?
It's a big one. Daddy packed it.
Are we gonna spend the night there?
We'll see. Kylie, you said you're gonna fly a plane like what?
Like Titi and Tito, like they got a new house.
Oh, man, that would be nice if we could visit them one day, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you gotta call them and say, pick me up one day.
Yeah. And they're gonna say, okay. They're gonna pick me up right now.
Oh, no, they're not gonna pick you up. Oh, we gotta go on vacation. So we are finally at the airport.
Look at that place.
Kai thinks that's pretty cool. I don't know what it is, but yeah, we're just in a long line. So we gotta wait, right? We gotta be patient.
Look, there's a bathroom over there.
Yeah, the bathrooms are over there. You gotta go potty?
No.
No. All right. So we are in line, and this line is insane. We have 1 hour to make it to our flight, and I'm a little nervous. Hopefully we make it, but I am very, very, very nervous. So we will see if we make it. So they have this little dog. I guess it's a bomb dog. And everybody has to walk through. I feel bad if you had a dog phobia. Come on, Kai. Go ahead, go with my mom. Take the bag.
Are y'all together?
Yes.
All right, y'all can go side by side as well. 1 second.
Oh.
Side by side and y'all walk. Go ahead.
Guys, I got my drink.
We're getting on the plane. Ooh. We're getting on the plane, Kylie.
Hello. How are you? Receipt on it? You want to? Receipt on it? Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
Can I put my seatbelt on?
Yeah, you can put your seatbelt on.
Hi, vlog. Out the window.
Yeah, we're about
As a
to pull
reminder,
off.
all tray tables and seat backs must be in the upright and locked position and all carry-on items stowed. Once all safety checks are complete, the cabin lights will be turned off. For your convenience, a reading light is located above your seat. Thank you for your attention
Hold on.
and enjoy the flight.
Look, we're taking off.
These lights are coming on me.
All right, Kai, we about to pull off.
What pull off means?
We're about to go in the sky.
Why dark?
They turned the lights out. No, he's praying. Look, we're going up.
Wow, we're down. We're going up. Daddy's window. This is cool.
It's cool, right? Here you go.
That's something I'm watching with. That's only showing my game. I'm playing Washington.
Now Kai wants to play her game.
I'm learning that. Mommy,
Yeah.
I feel different and I don't want this because I look so quiet and drunk.
Okay.
So talk. Okay, that's not it.
Well, we're coloring.
Look at mine so far.
You're coloring your coloring book.
Wait, sorry.
Landon. We're here, Kyleigh. Go, booty.
Y'all really gonna be the last one out?
We was at the back.
Wow. I didn't know it was last one out.
You had your head like full side of the car.
Yeah, Demi. I was asleep. Oh my God. I didn't know because you scared? Put that on your nose. I don't know. Mommy was sleeping too.
Check, you really did it. You did. That's exactly what
We made it.
Next stop is for B gates. B as in Bravo.
No. I have to go to tea.
Yep, we gotta go to tea.
So we just have to wait. I'm gonna
You gotta hold on.
Hold on to my mom. You can't sit down
the
here.
plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing.
You ain't lying.
Yeah, really. Are
The
you ready
next
for
stop
that?
is for B gates. B as in Bravo.
Then A, then C. We were the last one.
We always the last stop.
I'm bracing myself. Kel, get a camera off of me.
I'm trying to show how fast we going.
You gonna be
Please collect your
going.
belongings and watch your step as you exit.
They can see the wall, how fast we move. It don't look like we moving fast, but we are. So we are in the rental car finally.
I'm gonna tell you something.
Kyleigh wants to tell you something, but we are on our way and we will be there shortly.
So
Go ahead, knock. Knock, boo.
Can I say it again?
Just knock.
No, he's not.